Hello, warm welcome. We're not cooking today, I'm just warming up my tinola. We're just diving into the must-haves of the classic tinola. If you really want it to be unforgettable, there are non-negotiable must-haves. The ingredients that you really need to have for that authentic and satisfying chicken tinola, just like what I have today. Stay with me, let's do a deep dive on the ingredients as well as the regional variations. You're watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where I grow, cook and share. Welcome to my small kitchen. First in the must-haves, chicken on the bone or soup chicken. They are available in the supermarkets. Just specify that you want chicken on the bone or soup chicken. These are bred specifically for soup recipe. Ideally, entire soup chicken free range, but choice cuts, legs, wings, or thighs can be a good alternative. Free range soup chicken can be caught. They certainly take longer to cook, at least 20 minutes on pressure cooker, but it's worth the time. You can taste the flavor. You can taste the difference. Another ingredient that you must have is ginger, and lots of it. Just smash it, bruise it, or do big slices. It doesn't have to be julienne.
This one.
Green papaya or chayote. This vegetable gives it that signature lightness and texture. Traditionally, it's papaya, but chayote is a good alternative. And chili leaves or malunggay for that slightly bitter finish.
Curious? Yeah,
Spinach. Some use spinach, but it does not come close. In the order, chili leaves or malunggay. Spinach? No. The last, fish sauce or patés. Yes, you need salt, but soya sauce, no, no, no.
That means we can add, tip number 2, to enhance the flavor even further, add patis, or in Italian, culatura di acciughe.
For that enhanced taste, add it during this process.
Note that it's not just the Pinoys or the Thais that use fish sauce. In the southern parts of Italy, this is also done.
The magic is in the fish sauce. It deepens the umami taste without overpowering the flavor. Now, let's talk about the regional variations of this classic Pinoy tinola. In the north, ginger is sufficient. But in the south, especially among the Visayas, they add what they call tanglad or the citron grass or lemongrass, baranoy. That's how we call it in Ilocano. Well, we don't add it, but for the Bisaya, they use it for that extra aroma. In our part of the Philippines, we use baranoy for the only dish that I can remember is bisokol. Bisokol, I don't know, the snail. Now, in the north, the spiritual home of Pinakbet, where we love bitter flavors. In the Ilocos, we replace all the greens with ampalaya leaves. Try it. It's really soothing and healing.
You know, I have an Indian colleague. I told her yesterday that I'll be cooking today chicken soup with Kerala leaves. In India, ampalaya is called Kerala. And she was surprised. She thought that I was experimenting. I told her this is a standard, almost not a standard, by the way. We use everything similar to spinach for chicken soup. I told her we do this in the Philippines, but in the north, where we love bitter flavor, some households use this also. Ampalaya leaves. Perfect. And then to wash the ampalayas, they're fresh. And they're protected from the dust because they are inside the polytunnel. No, not a polytunnel, but a greenhouse. My man and Grace will be delighted, I'm sure. And Alex as well, our mainstays. And our cameraman. I hope you will be delighted as well and be inspired and get inspired to make this at home.
Maria, nag-iimas.
Nog een beetje groen ogen of niet?
Bruno? Tignan mo. Kita man, kaya mo gayam
Dat is
dapat.
lekker. Hè?
Oh, is lekker ka no, labang ka. With more ampalaya. Yeah. Welcome to the club.
Because
I remember my grandmother preparing tinola with ampalaya leaves for my auntie and for my mother who just gave birth. And that's it, the must-haves for the beautiful and unforgettable tinola. For the satisfying and layered flavor. I think it's finished. The ginger, the patis, the gentle umami taste. Soothing and healing. Home in a bowl. Try it today, following your region's variation. Oh, I have to eat with your rice. Thank you for joining me here today.
Maria, nag-iimas.
Nog een beetje groen ogen of niet?